Hello guys, this is ENG Studies, Engineering Studies. This is my channel name. Let's start the lecture 2. Here I will discuss some important formulas for Laplace transform to be able to solve the Laplace transform questions. First one is Laplace transform 1 equal to 1 by s. Let's see how it came out. Laplace transform 1 is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st into 1 dt. 0 to infinity e to the power minus st dt equal to e to the power minus t by minus s. 0 to infinity e to the power minus s into infinity by minus s, which becomes 0 plus e to the power minus s dot 0 by minus s. It becomes 1 by s. Then moving on to the second formula, Laplace transform of t to the power n equal to n factorial is to the power n plus 1, where it should be where n equal to 1, 2, 3, this is the positive integers. Otherwise tau n plus 1 by s to the power n plus 1. This is gamma function. Tau n plus 1 equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power n dx. Tau n plus 1 equal to n tau n. Tau half is equal to root pi. Tau 1 equal to 1. Laplace transform t to the power n 0 to infinity e to the power minus st t to the power n dt. T equal to p by s, dt equal to dp by s. 0 to infinity e to the power minus s into p by s to the power n dp by s. 1 by s to the power n plus 1, 0 to infinity e to the power minus p into pn dp. Tau n plus 1 by s n plus 1. But when n is any positive integer, then tau n plus 1 equal to n factorial. So here we will see that tau n plus 1 equal to n tau n equal to n minus 1, tau n minus 1, and we continue doing it. Then the tau 3 equal to 2 tau 2, tau 2 equal to 1 tau 1, tau 1 equal to 1, tau n plus 1 equal to n into tau n. Here we see that tau n equal to n minus 1, tau n minus 1, tau n minus 1 is equal to n minus 2, tau n minus 2. We continue on doing it. Then we see that after some continuing doing same thing, we see that tau 3 equal to 2 tau 3 comes, and which is equal to 2 tau 2. Tau 2 is equal to 1 tau 1, tau 1 is equal to 1. So it becomes, equation becomes n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3, and goes on into 2 into 1 n factorial, which is n factorial. So now the equation of Laplace transform t to the power n, if n is any positive integer, is n factorial by s to the power n plus 1. We see some examples. Laplace transform of t square equal to 2 factorial by s 2 plus 1 equal to 2 by s cube. Laplace transform of t half, we see that we have to use the previous formula, because here the n is not any positive integer. So tau n plus 1 equal to, here n equal to half, so tau half plus 1 by s half plus 1, and tau n plus 1 is equal to n tau n, so tau half by s to the power 3 by 2, root pi by 2 s to the power 3 by 2. And now we move on to some assignments. I have given some problems. Please solve this. I will provide the solutions in the next lecture. Please go on watching my next lecture, and if you liked it, please subscribe my channel and go and click the like button. Thank you very much.